Have you ever walked through a maintenance shop to find job packages hanging out of the maintenance trades lockers or contents of the job packages laying on the table in the break room or lunch room? Is this a common scenario for your organization? How can an organization motivate their maintenance trades to follow the job steps, use the job package contents, and assist them to understand the value in the information? Hello, I'm Leslie Skelly, and I'm a senior consultant with IDCON. It is human nature to not like to be told what to do. Many maintenance trades take pride in themselves as being mavericks. For some, a job package is just a bunch of paper and forms, and their attitude is, no one's going to tell me what to do. In maintenance and reliability, we often overlook the human element. That is, maintenance trades want to be involved as part of the solution. They want to be able to feel free to voice their opinions, offer feedback, solicited or unsolicited, be heard, and they want to be praised for their contributions. During an online meeting, Ella and I discussed how to motivate and change or improve the attitudes of the maintenance trades to fully utilize the job package contents and follow the job steps to benefit the maintenance trades and an organization as part of their journey in pursuit of world-class maintenance and reliability. Here are a few discussion points that we came up with. Involve maintenance trades in the field job scoping and development of job tasks. I have seen a few times where planners have put together detailed piping installations with drawings and a list of materials, and to see those instructions thrown out the window. Why? In this instance, this wasn't the planner's core competency. We all know that the planners get overwhelmed with all of their daily tasks. One of the most effective and simplest way to increase the use of job tasks is to assign work orders to the maintenance trades to perform field job scoping with or without the planner. It is best practice that the maintenance trades time be scheduled for this. The intent is that the maintenance trades field job scope the assigned work order and prepare detailed job steps or tasks that include pre- and post-work tasks, a parts list, and identify any permits or specialty tools needed. At execution, that same maintenance trade is assigned this work order. Since they have ownership in the development of the task list, they will be more willing to follow them and provide feedback for continuous improvement.